Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Dodge Journey SXT with the blacktop package. Stock number E2281A. 88,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade comes to us with a clean auto check history report. We sold this Journey brand new, granite crystal metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. This Journey seats 7, cloth interior. A rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. In very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air, and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. Additional storage under the front passenger seat, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Auto dimming mirror, as well as conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Journey is a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. For more information on this Journey, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.